We are in Spain, located on the urbanization Altea Hills, and we are on top of the mountain. Check this out. One of the best views in the area. Welcome and welcome. This is Exclusive Property Spain, where we tour the best homes in the Costa Blanca. Today, we are on the top bit of Altea Hills. We are viewing a home of 1.7 million euros. It has 1,100 square meters of plot, 285 square meters built, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And the plus thing of this home is that it has breathtaking views. Guys, let's start the video tour. First thing we see coming into the home is a garage space for 2 cars, another space here on the outside. Coming in, you come to this hallway. From here, there's a staircase that takes you down to the living room and to the main area. But on the top floor, there is the master bedroom. There is a walk-in wardrobe that goes all the way from the bottom to the top. It has space on both sides. And then coming through here, you have straight views to nature and to the mountain Porch Campana. We walk straight into this Mediterranean bedroom. The whole house has complete wooden floor, all natural. And look at the bed, how it's positioned. It's looking straight out to the sea, mountains. You can see Altea, the island. You can see absolutely everything. You feel like a king being on top of here. And then coming straight through here to this round room that they designed as an office. And they have a library here on the side. And then the bathroom has its own sauna. I would be in here every single day for detoxing. Wide bathroom, love the tiles that they've designed here. Beautiful white staircase coming down to the main floor. To the second entrance of the home, coming straight through here. Coming to the living room, just check this out. Nice wide open space. We have central heating. Looking over here to the flat screen. Nice big sofa. With this big open window where you have a lot of natural light coming in. Over here to the dining area. Love that it's a circle. And check out the tiles, nice old school. And we have the old-fashioned modern kitchen with a big American fridge on this side and all of the utilities that you need. You have this nice cozy terrace on the outside with the dining table here, looking to the sea. Perfect to have your coffee in the morning. There's a barbecue area on this side and a sink. And you look out to the views and then come into the big terrace. Wow, look at this. This is my favorite bit of the home. I just feel like a king coming down. To this big spacious terrace that feels like you're floating with these glass windows on the side. And you just look out to these beautiful panoramic views. You have the mountains on this side. Poolside over here. Nice chill out area. Perfect to sunbathe. And plus, we're pointing south. So the home has sun all day. So it's perfect to sunbathe. This is the apartment of the home, and this can be transformed into anything you like. Right now, they have a living room here, kitchen, a bathroom on the far end, and you could put a dining table here to spend time Christmas with your family and friends. One of the things that they kept is this design of this stone. It was from a famous Italian architect here in the area of Altea Hills. Now, look at the 3 bedrooms. As an extra, you have a laundry room with everything that you need and enough storage space to put everything. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out this video if you want to see more homes in Altea Hills. And click in the link below if you want me to help you find your ideal home. I'll see you on the next one because I've got my energy up. Let's go!